Hey folks, how are you? I hope everyone is good and your preparations are also going good. Now we have very less day remaining for RRB Skill 2 exam. So at this time your preparation will be at war level. So without wasting any much time, let's start with today's question. So first question is a communication processor that connects dissimilar networks. So here the key is dissimilar networks by providing the translation from one set of protocol to another is that is known as gateway. So router connects two network but with similar protocol. Bridge operates within same network, and modem connects internal network to external network, means intranet to internet. So bridge works at data link level layer, router works at network layer, modem also works at data link layer, and gateway can work at all 7 layer. So I hope this is clear. Next is, which of the following statements is or are false about OLAP? So again the question is from data warehouse. Let's go through the options. OLAP involves long running slow transaction that read lot of data. This is true since OLAP is a concept of data warehouse, and data warehouse having too much data, so at that time transactions are becoming slow. So first is true, but we have to mark the false answer. Let's go to other options. Option B, OLAP involves frequent insert, update and delete operations. No, this is not correct. Since data warehouse is not getting updated very frequently, it is getting updated at the end of the day or end of the week. So option B is not correct. C is, OLAP requires data to be denormalized form for optimal processing. No, for optimal processing, data should be in normalized form only. So option B and C are false. That's what we have to mark. So the correct answer for this question is option D, both B and C. So I hope it is clear. Make sure you read the question very carefully in exam, especially this true false kind of question. Sometimes we don't read the questions and questions are being asked about false and we mark true. So don't do this kind of silly mistakes in exam. Okay, next is transform the following infix expression to postfix form. So infix to postfix we have to convert. This is the expression. How we convert? Firstly we will convert all the things which are in basis. So a plus b will be ab plus, then multiplication, then c minus d will be cd minus, then divided by e will be e, and then divided by, then this multiplication will also be going to the postfix form, so it will be ab plus cd minus, then multiplication, then e and division. So ab plus cd minus multiplication e division. So option D is the correct answer. So infix to postfix, postfix to infix, infix to prefix, prefix to infix. Have a look on this type of question because sometimes one questions are being asked from this. And to change infix to postfix, stacks is a very commonly used. Next is, in PPP, what is PPP? Point to point protocol. A three-way handshaking protocol used for authentication is known as, this is known as CHAP. What is CHAP? Challenge Handshake Authentication Protocol. So what is this protocol? This is kind of authentication protocol in which firstly a challenge packet is being sent, and here the receiver will apply its MD5 function and it will send its hash value. Now here again that hash value will be matched with his hash value. He will also having a MD5 function, he will generate a hash value, and if the match is found then an accepted packet is sent, otherwise a reject packet is sent. So that's why authentication works here. So I hope CHAP is clear. Next is, which is the maximum number of super keys for relation schema relation is giving x, y, z, w with x as the key. Okay, so x is a key. Now it is being asked how many super keys are possible. So if x is a key, then xy can be a key, xz can be a key, xw can be a key, xyz can be a key, xyw can be a key, xzw can be a key, and xyzw can also be a key. So total is 4 plus 3 plus 1. 8 super keys can be possible for this relation schema. So answer is 8. Because x is a key, so x can form key with anyone. Next is, which of the following declaration is incorrect in Python language? So this is correct, this is correct, this is also correct, this is not correct. So here x, y, z, p is a single variable and the value is being assigned. Here there are 4 variables x, y, z, p, and there are 4 values are being assigned. Here also x underscore y underscore z underscore p, one variable, one value, but this is not allowed. If you want to have 4 variables, you have to give the comma and then assign the value. So option B is the correct answer for this question. Next question is again from Python. What will be the output of the following Python code? Print, string is given abc.def, capitalize. What does this capitalize function do? This capitalize function will convert the first letter in a string to capital letter, and whatever the letters are present after that, that will be converted to a small letter. So the answer for this question will be a, b, c dot, here d, e, f will also be converted to a small only, d, e, f. So caps A, B, C dot small d, e, f. So correct answer is option A. I hope capitalized function concept is also clear. Next is, what is trapdoor? Trapdoor is an intentional hole or an intentional bug which is left by software developer intentionally. So the answer for is option B. It is a hole in software left by designer. Next is, if A is equal to matrix is given, the values of A 2 3. So what is 2 3 means? Second row and third column. So how this matrix will be look like? So here we have not given by row is equal to true, so obviously this is a 4 cross 4 matrix, 4 row 4 columns, and the value will be from 1 to 16. So by default the values will be pasted column wise. So this is how the matrix will look: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So 2 3 means second row third column. So this is second row and this is third column. So what is the value? 10. Second row at third column, the value is 10. So the answer for this question will be option D, 10. Let's go to next question. Again, what will be the output of the following Python code? Len. So what len function do? Len function will calculate the length of the object. So here what will the length? One string is there and 3 numeric is there. So 1 2 3 4, the answer will be 4. Now suppose if it is asked what is the output of this, len is given and then only string is given hello. So here hello is having 5 character and only string is given, then the answer will be 5. So this is how this len is work. Next is, what do you understand by IP grabber? What is IP grabber? IP grabber is a trick or is a hacking technique to find the IP address of any computer. So it is a kind of link the hackers used to generate one link, and as soon as you click on that link, the IP address will be known by the person who has created that link. So that is the IP grabber. Let's go to the options. Option A is, an IP grabber is a program that is used to assign IP address of a computer. No. An IP grabber is a program that will find the IP address of another computer, often used by hackers. Yeah, this is the correct answer. So option B is the correct answer. Next is, In Linux, which command is used to display the top of the file? So the command is head. What is cat command? Cat command is used to create a file or concatenate file or view the data of file. What is more command is being used? Suppose the file is very big and you need to scroll the file. So at that time more command is used to view the more content of the file. And grep is a kind of search command whenever you want to find a particular pattern of string or particular pattern of the data. At that time grep command is being used. Next is dash shows the count of argument passed to the script. This we have discussed many times and I hope you know the answer for this question. Answer is $hash. What is $dollar and what is dollar star? Let me know in comment section. I have explained it 2 to 3 times. Next is which of the following is true about data encryption? Let's go to the options. Data encryption ensures data safety and very important for confidential or critical data. That is true. Option B is it protects data from being read, altered or forged while transmission. That's also true. That is the purpose of encryption. Option C is it is used to secure the data while transmission of data over unsecured network. That is also true. So none of these, all ABC. So answer is all ABC. All three are true. I hope it is clear. Next is relation R1 has 10 tuples and 5 attributes. Means what? In this table there are 5 columns and 10 rows. Relation R2 has 0 tuples and 7 attributes. Means what? Relation R2 has 7 columns but there is no data. When a cross join is achieved between R1 and R2, how many tuples would be resultant set have? See, when we will be having a cross join, obviously there is nothing present, so in the joint result nothing will come. So the option will be 0. I hope it is clear. If something is not clear, let me know in comment section. We can take that question and discuss in detail in next session. Next is if A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 15, then the statement X is equal to this. So how this statement is being executed? Firstly, this condition is being checked. If A is greater than, so firstly A is greater than B is being checked. If this is true, then value of A will be assigned to X. If it is false, value of B being assigned to X. So let's see whether this condition is true. So A is greater than 15? No. A is less than 15. So obviously value of B is being assigned to X. So what is value of B? 15. So let's see. Assign a value of 8 to X. No. Give set no. Assign a value 15 to X. Yeah. Option C is correct answer here. Here 15 will be assigned to X. Next is for a linear search in an array of n elements, the time complexity for best, worst and average case are this respectively. So what is the best time complexity? Best is the search record will be found on the first position only. So order of 1 will be the best. What is worst? Array is having an element and the elements which are being searched is present at the last of the array. So ON, because we are performing linear search. And what is the average? Maybe the search elements is present in the middle of the array. So ON by 2. So the correct answer for this is option B. Best is O1, worst is ON and average is ON by 2. So when you are studying data structure, you should remember best or at least worst and best time complexity for all the sorting and searching. Whatever sort you are studying, make a note of these things, like write down in a paper and read daily, memorize daily, because this type of question has come in exam many times to find the worst time complexity, best time complexity for any sorting algorithm. Next is which of the following operator in C is used to explicitly convert the value from one type to another? Very simple question. Those operators are known as cast operator. What are bitwise operator? That performs operation on bit by bit. And logical and arithmetic, you all know arithmetic operation is arithmetic operation, and logical operators are based upon logical operation, logical and logical or. Last question is, a class is given, public static void main string asks char a is equal to a, okay, a plus plus, and system dot out dot print int a. So the correct answer for this will be option C, 66. How? Here the ASCII value of a is being incremented. So if a is capital is ASCII value is 65, so a plus plus will give 66, and that's why it is being printed here. So I hope every question is clear, and I will be giving quiz to my Telegram channel in today's night time, maybe around 9 or around 10 p.m. So go ahead and attempt that quiz, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Keep learning.